Okay, we're back down to the first floor. As you can see, the fifth floor is a gallery, International Exhibit Special Olympics. It's closed, but we're back down to the first floor, which is 1930 through 1960 exhibit, military exhibit, theater, vending machines, atrium level events, and the bottom level, the restoration shop, is closed. But I can get you some video. They got cars down there, but see, there's the shop over there where they do the restorations. A part of it, that's a machine shop. Oh, sorry. Yeah, and I'll get you some more of the shop here on the other side, right over here. Okay, where they work on the bikes and do the restorations. I don't know if you can see them. You can see them in there, but they got the lifts with the bikes that they're restoring in there, and they got all the equipment to do it with. There's all outboards, more cars down here. Look at these things, man. Bikes. And more bikes. They got just all kinds of them. But that right there, I think, is no Allison V12 Allison engine. I'm not sure, but I think that's what that is. The first Mustangs had those in them, P-51 Mustangs, until they went over to the Rolls-Royce Merlin, but they used those in race boats way back in the 60s, I think, early 70s. Anyway, let's take a look around. I want to show you some of these. Oh, they're really moving up here on that track now. I'm going to show you some of these old World War II bikes. Here you go. 1942 Harley Davidson WLA. This one. U.S. Army. They carried the rifle and scabbard there. And that one there's Guinea's got a nickname on it. And this is what a soldier would have rode with some of the soldiers. And then you got more over here. U.S. Army, 1943 Indian 741 Scout. They had both. Harley eventually beat them out, but they had both of those. And there's some more BSA, 1939 BSA. That's a Great Britain's bike. And these things work for something else. This here was the Harley Davidson XA military. Wasn't a V-twin. It was more like the BMWs now. You know, the opposed flat two-cylinder. And I think the generator in the middle, carb on each side. 1940 Harley Davidson. Let me back off a little. 1943 Harley WLC. U.S. government official use only. 1956 Cushman. I'm trying to look at the bikes and film at the same time, so the camera's probably wandering, but well, let me show you. The Germans had theirs too, and 1943 BMW country Germany, air-cooled German bike. You see the palm tree and the swastika there. They probably, you know, they fought in Africa, so that's probably one of the things they used over there. And the gun, MG42, I think is what they call it. It's not real. Right? It's not real. It was 74 Condor. Country of origin is Italy. And here's one, 1999 Harley Davidson MT500. That's a unusual machine. Country USA. Another U.S. Army. This one was a 1941 Indian 841. It's like a V-twin, but it's not the hard kind of V-twin. Wow. Here's the Christmas tree of bikes again. Here's your Honda 450. I think it's it's 1974 CD 450. I'm trying to figure out what the hell is it. I'll have to read that thing on this. 1929 Majestic. For anybody who's ever seen one of those. There we go. Okay. Man, I wish they had the top floor open. Let me cut this one, and I'm going to go back over to the other side. The Royal Enfield, I think that was Great Britain. USA. But I'm going to go back over here to the other side, so look for the next video.